Hello boys and beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I melt my beauty supply closure. I got this from my local beauty supply store. This is a Remy Saga 4x4 lace closure. The color that I have is 1B and the inches that I have is 12. I paid $40 for this closure. I didn't really have time to wait for my hair to come in the mail, so this is what it looks like, and I'm going to show you guys a few things that I'm going to be using. Alrighty, so I will be using my Clairol BW2. I will also be using my Shimmer Lights shampoo. This is the largest bottle that you could possibly find at your local beauty supply store. And I also will be using developer, so I also have the largest bottle of developer as well. I'll also be putting these down below. Alrighty guys, so here is the closure outside of the package. Essentially you do want to be careful when taking the closure out of the package, because you could easily tear the lace. I mean, that's with any closure, but you know you want to be extra careful. This is what the lace looks like before I bleach my knots. So now I'm going to go into the steps on how to bleach your knots. Make sure that I always stir up the bleach and the developer together very well. I always try to aim for like a mayonnaise texture. I never want the developer and the bleach to be too liquidy to the point where it like seeps through and it starts to bleach the hair. So after the lace sits for 30 minutes, I then use my Shimmer Light shampoo and I wash my closure twice. This just helps to ensure that I get all of the excess bleach and developer out of the lace. Alrighty, so it's time to pluckity pluck. So I did go ahead and get my Got To Be glue spray. This helps to get all of my little flyaways away. So with the hairstyle that I'll be having, I am going to have a middle part. So I just usually take small pieces of the closure and I just pluck, just to make it look a little natural around my edges. So it's always good to pluck in sections when trying to get a natural hairline. So I'm just gonna take my tweezers. I got my tweezers from like a local beauty supply store as well. They were probably like 50 cents or like a dollar or something. I'll also put that down below. So you just want to pluck to your liking around the edges to make sure that you get that natural look. Now everybody's hairline is not the same, so I'm just going to continue to pluck in different sections, and I'll speed it up so you all can see as well. Alright, so after I pluck and bleach the lace, here is what the closure looks like. You literally can see my hand on the other side. We have more of a natural, transparent looking closure. And I went ahead and sewed on the elastic band. So this is what it essentially looks like. Alright, so now that I completed the plucking and bleaching the knots, I'm going to use some powder foundation that I got from my local beauty supply store as well. This was not expensive at all. It was like $3. So I'm just going to use my little makeup brush and I'm just going to apply it to my lace. That way it can look as natural to my skin complexion as possible. So you want to put a generous amount, of course, to cover the lace. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up for us. Melt that lace. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of my Got to Be glue spray, my blow dryer, a little bit of my foundation, and some Ghost Bond lace glue. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that and do that about 2 times until everything is dry to my liking. So now that the lace is melted and I have the foundation and everything on the lace as well as the cap, I am now going to go ahead and adjust my cap since I am doing a middle part. And I'm going to use a little bit of my Got to Be glue spray to make sure that it stays intact before I go ahead and sew it down. Alrighty, when it's all finished, this is what my lace looks like. Melted lace, slayed honey. Okay, I hope you all loved and liked this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.